guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited to be back. I feel like it's been forever since I've last updated you guys with a video on my channel. I think it's been about like a month or so since I last uploaded my video. But if you guys don't know, I hope a lot of you guys do. If you guys follow me on my social medias, I did recently just moved across the country. So I did move from California all the way to Ohio. I know it's pretty random. It was for my girlfriend and it was a work move. We hauled all of our stuff from California all the way here and we are just finally settling down. This is my first video filming in our new place, and this is just temporary for now. But I don't know, we'll see. I'm still trying to feel stuff out here. But yeah, I will be updating you guys on my move and Ohio and how I feel about it and just what I'm currently doing right now, because it has been like 2 weeks since we moved here. So I've just been trying to settle down, unpack a lot of stuff. And yeah, I'll let you guys know about all of that as we go into this video, but I really want to sit down, just put some makeup on and talk to you guys. So I really wanted to put a video up. I miss being on YouTube and I just miss putting out videos. So yeah, if you guys are interested in hearing more about my move, my updates, then please just go ahead, you guys know the drill, and continue watching. I want to just prime my eyes first with the Anastasia eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be using a brush. This primer, I really like it. Nothing really out of the ordinary. Just prime my eyes and prep it for my shadow and the colors. You guys see that my brows are filled in. I just recently got them tinted. So it's already on there. It's my second day with my brows. So the lady that did my tinting brows, she just pretty much used the same shape that I had. She told me it's supposed to last for a couple weeks. But I feel like the front part of this, I mean, it's looking good so far, but I feel like the front part is like missing a little bit. And I was talking to her about my brows, and brows a lot of the time are a lot of our struggle. I told her that I want a natural look, and especially the front part of my brows. It's always what I have the issue with, creating those light strokes in the front. I feel like I always make it a little bit too boxy and it's a little bit too dark. I feel like my brows are already too dark in general, so yeah, I don't know. So for the next part, I'm going in with a Farsali Skin Tune Blur. I've been wanting to try this out, so I just got this little itty bitty one because you guys know how pricey this is, and I don't really know if it's even gonna be good. I'm just going to prime my face first. Ooh, let's just see how much this. But yeah, I'm just going to put that on while I wait for my eye primer. I'm going in with this Butter London. What is this? It's the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I just got this from my BoxyCharm, and yeah, I'm just gonna create something really like natural, I guess you would say. But I also have this Bare Minerals Desert Bloom mini blush tree over here too. So I'm gonna be using this peachy shade here as a crease shade because this one does not have one, which I really wish they did create like a more peachy tone on here since it's supposed to be like a natural look. But I mean, we can always just use something else, because hello, that is what makeup is all about, and that's why I like it. So yeah, but anyways, you guys, I am back, you guys. So I finally settled down in Ohio, and we did drive all the way from California to Ohio, and I had two of my sisters and my nephew help me and my girlfriend move from Cali to Ohio, and it was kind of like a road trip. It was a really good experience, but oh my god, it was really exhausting because we did bring our little doggy with us too, so it was such a tough trip for him, I feel. But he did so well. He's such a little cutie, and he used to be really car sick, but I feel like now he's a lot better now because he was able to travel to LA. That was 6 hours from where I lived, and he did really well. So yeah, he did really well, but it was like a 33-hour drive, and it was just super crazy. We stopped once only, like the whole trip, and we stopped in Wyoming, and we just slept for the night, and then we just drove again. So it was a crazy trip, but it was really fun. We just thought of it like as a road trip, and try to make the best out of it, but I mean, we can't admit it was really exhausting at the same time. But I am going with this dark brown shade called Temptress here, you guys, and this is gonna be on the outer corner of my eyes. So I have not put on makeup in like so long, ever since the trip, ever since we started our trip. Like, I have not really even put makeup on, but we did stop in Chicago. Actually we didn't stop there like along the way. That was the plan to begin with. We were gonna stop in Chicago before coming to Ohio, but we decided just to drive all the way through, and we were gonna drive back to Chicago. So my family did stay for like a whole week afterwards, so it was like a total of 2 weeks for them. Yeah, and then we did go to Chicago just for one day and one night. We didn't really do much, just went to the main thing we wanted to do was go to the bean, that little bean. I don't know if you guys ever seen that, but yeah, that little bean, we went there to take pictures. We went to this Millennium Park, but we didn't really get to do much because we left like early in the morning, like at 6 I believe, and then we got there like at 12 because it was like a 6-hour drive. And yeah, we were getting ready, we ate, and then we were getting ready too, so I think that took a lot of our time as well. So regardless, I still had a lot of fun. I'll post some pictures on the side here of our little photos, but yeah, it was super fun, quick trip. I mean, I'm still so happy that I got to see just a little part of Chicago. I do definitely want to eventually go back. The main thing I'm super happy about being in Ohio is that like I will get to travel to the states on the east side now, because I am considered on the east side now. So I will get to go to hopefully some of the east coast states such as New York. That is my dream state. I've always loved New York, and I've always wanted to travel there and like go there. That's what I'm super excited about for like living here, I guess. I've been really loving this diamond lights finisher from Artist Couture, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. Ooh, you guys see that? Gorgeous. See that? How pretty is that? The thing I don't like about it is that it's quite messy. So where was I? Yeah, the weather in Ohio is just, I'm not a fan of the weather. I know that it's gonna be snowing like crazy here in the winter, and it's gonna be like super cold, so I don't even know what to expect for that, you guys. I'm like really afraid because it's gonna be snowing, and I've never driven in snow, or I've never really lived in snow, so I'm not really sure what to expect. But I think it'll be okay. When we'll learn as we continue to live here. The goal really is not to really live here for that long. Maybe just a couple of years, save up some money, and you know, move back to California hopefully, because I'm a California girl and that is my home. It will always be my home. So I'm okay with, you know, traveling out of state just to make a living, you know, because that's all about life, and if that's what we have to do, that's what we have to do. The foundation, I'm going with this Burt's Bees Goodness Glow liquid makeup. I've only worn it once, to be honest, but I'm gonna keep trying it, you know, just to see. It smells kind of funky. As you can see, it's not really full coverage, and I feel like I'm super light on camera right now. It's like currently raining here right now in Ohio, you guys. Super weird weather. I've just been really liking this brown eyeliner look. I just feel like it's really natural and really nice, and it's not as intense as like the black eyeliner, so I've been really liking it. For under my eye, I'm going back into this Butter London palette, and I'm going in with this Femme Fatale blue shade over here from the palette. And I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, just do a little pop of color. My eyes are a little bit natural right now. Yeah, I think this pop of color will look very nice. Ooh, looks really intense actually. I just repurchased this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Earthquake. This is the brown color, and I've actually finished this eyeliner, so it's that good, you guys. It took me a while to buy it because it's pretty pricey. It's $25 for this eyeliner, but I think it's so worth it. It's just gorgeous. Like, I love it. It's also a little bit difficult to film because I feel like everything was packed, and it was hard to just find everything, you know. It's like, it's just so stressful. Like, I was so stressed, and every day I was like stressing about something new. So I mean, I'm just glad that the trip, like the, you know, move in general is over, but it's like all these unpacking stuff. It's like, where's my stuff? Where's my charger? Where's my bags? You know, where's this? Where's that? But everything is slowly coming together. We are buying like a lot of different stuff too. So oh my gosh, you guys, we had to get rid of so many things. Like, it was so crazy. Like, we did not bring like a lot of stuff. We did not bring our dining table, first and foremost. Like, that was like a pretty big thing that we didn't bring. And we did not bring like a lot of like all our shelves. Like, we have like no shelves, so we just recently bought like a bookshelf. But yes, that was super stressful. And we didn't really get a lot of our kitchen stuff, so we had to buy like new pots and pans, new like plates and bowls and utensils. So it's just crazy. Like, thinking back to it, like, it just drives me crazy, you guys. For lashes, I'm going in with these Lily lashes, light mink lashes in the style Goddess. So pretty natural and long and gorgeous. So I'm gonna put this on and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, got my lashes on, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glow. So I am going to add a little bit of this Natasha Denona, but this is Natasha Denona's Bronze and Glow little mini duo. So it has a bronzer and a highlighter on here. I'm just gonna apply some of that highlighter on to my cheekbones. This one is a little bit on the glittery side, so as you can see there. Also put some lip liner on. Use the Marc Jacobs lip liner. I'm gonna try this Desnudas lip gloss from Alamar Cosmetics. I'm super excited to try this out. It looks so bomb on top. Yeah. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright, you guys, this is it for this video. I'm gonna try my best to upload again because I definitely miss you guys, and I definitely miss being on YouTube and just uploading videos for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. It's just a quick little update, but I will be coming back. Like I mentioned, I do have a couple of videos coming your guys' way, so stay tuned for those. If you guys have any requests or recommendations for me, definitely send me comments. Just send anything my way. And yeah, don't forget to just like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other videos. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.